Cougar Crossing, Jeep Badge of Honor. We're putting it on the Jack Monkey. Stay tuned. This is the Cougar Crossing Jeep Badge of Honor. We just got it in the mail. It took us a little while. I told you it would work. And it's going right here. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so let's take a look here. This is the package. Very simple. I don't know why it comes in something this big, but yeah, so I'll just take a box cutter, cut it open, and we'll look at the contents here. Yep, that's it. There's the badge. That's it. And like I said, it's a badge, but you see it's overprotected as all hell. Anyway, so we have the Cougar Crossing Jeep Badge of Honor, kinda already assembled. We'll get to that. And then we have the order form that shows, again, I don't know why they send all this paperwork with you for that just little thing, but you see it comes with two things. It comes with the Cougar Crossing badge itself and then the Jeep Badge of Honor letter. And the letter looks like this. It comes with two pieces. Number one, here it's just a letter from Jeep signed by the Senior Vice President, Jim Morrison. And it says just congratulations, blah, 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 blah. You know, whatever, I don't. And then this piece, which is really just the instructions on how to assemble the badge, mount your badge, removing your badge, and then any questions it tells you. So anyway, the badge now is coming more assembled than it was in the past. This used to be, oh nope, it's still, so you see here it comes with these two things. So it's got the 3M sticky tape to put the badge on the surface, and then this 3M sticky tape to put the badge inside of the carrier. Very simple. So this is the first thing we take off. And just press it together. It gives you that nice little circle there to, and that's it. And then we remove this piece and we stick it on the Jeep. And I'll show you that right now. All right, guys, now for the fun part. I've got my badge. I've got my 3M sticky tape. Apologize about the mower, but it's that time of day. I'm gonna place it right here underneath my fins and things on my tailgate. I've already taken some glass cleaner and sprayed this off. You can use water, a cleaning wipe, whatever. Just get the dirt off from the area that you're gonna place it. And then very simply, we just peel that off, discard it. I'll pick that up in a second. And we place it. Boom, just like that. Okay, now you see I didn't put any tape to mask it, to put it in the right spot. I just kind of generally line it up. There's a smaller gap here than there is here, so this isn't perfect. I don't care about perfection here. I just want it on the Jeep, and I just want to stack them in rows of 5. Currently right now I've got 13 badges. You can see that. Yeah, so that's how we do it. Real simple process, real easy. I've already showed you how to request the Badge of Honor through your app on your phone. If you need to see that again, we'll link the description over here somewhere. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're out here in central Missouri, it's supposed to be a beautiful weekend, maybe some rain tomorrow. So get out, enjoy your weekend, and thanks for joining us on Jack Monkey Jeep.